So let me hand back the microphone.
Especially thank the we've already agreed on how to fly.
Your Excellencies, the year that is Al Jazeera. So my brothers and sisters, we're very happy. 29th of Governor, a fire back. But you see, the point is that this country must move forward. For me, it's not about ethnicity, but the point is that equity, fairness, and justice. We have never done anything anybody can say that we do not want our country to move forward. And let me tell anybody who cares, and I stand here to say today, it doesn't matter what you think or what you believe. This country is at a point that we need the unity of this country to survive. And let all of us believe that we have something to share in this. When I mean share, it's not about sharing money. That is something that I also have a stake as far as this country is concerned. What is the problem? And I say it clearly. And I tell people, it doesn't matter how you are being Sheyi, it doesn't matter how you are being Autumn, it doesn't matter how you are being Zibasu, it doesn't matter how you are being Zugwai, Mimiko, Fayoshe, me, self, I know what me. If you don't abuse me, I think something is wrong. So every day I say, have they abused me today? They say, I say, oh good God, you are wonderful. Let me enjoy my life then. If you don't abuse me, I think there's something fundamentally wrong. Like people are worried about people made endorsement, and we are worried that because we love our party. Instead of them to say, what do we do? They are abusing us that we are worried our party.
This is the integrity group, and Nigeria is at a point where decisions have to be taken. We are at a turning point. 2023 election will be like no other elections in the history of Nigeria, and the G5 will play a prominent role. Whether people like it or not, we have critical roles to play. And for this group standing in front of you, we are not afraid.
Yeah.
It's a call for us. And some people even said maybe we're a cult. Well, if you say that, when it comes to the unity of this country, doing what is right and changing the course of history, yes, I'll be happy to belong to such a cult.